What is going on YouTube? Cody here with another radical review. I know it's been a little bit, but I haven't really gotten anything that I actually want to do a video on until I got this. And as you can see, if you can read, or it's in the thumbnail, or in the name of the video itself, this is a beard care set. Now, I absolutely love anything and everything to have to do with a beard as far as oils and balms are concerned. So when I reached out to this company and they sent me this, I was extremely excited. As you can see, it's by a company called QQ-Wow. I will leave a link in the description to this exact thing. So if you want to check it out yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to. Now, what I do like about this, it comes in this very tin case. And the lid pops off. Nothing special about the lid. Be right here. If you have any problems, you contact them directly, and they'll definitely take care of you as much as possible. And there's a little code there for your next purchase. Now, in this particular kit, you have a wooden comb. Now, I really like this comb. It is, like, as you can see, it's wooden. So the problem with plastic combs and metal combs are better than plastic combs. Plastic combs tend to leave little burrs in your beard. Plastic burrs, metal combs tend to leave little metal burrs in your beard if they're not properly shaved down, so to speak. So I definitely like the wooden combs, and this is a very, very sturdy one. As you can see on the back, it's thicker, and on the front here, it's thinner, so it goes through your beard really nice and easily. Set that off to the side. Next thing we want to look at is the oil. Now, unlike other ones, other companies, this company actually gives you a giant bottle of oil. Now, let me get my other bottle of oil real quick for a comparison. Alright, this is what a typical company will send you. I do apologize, I got some oil already on it. And this is what they send you. So they definitely are going to take care of you. If I'm not mistaken, this is 1 ounce, this is 2 ounces. So they send you double the amount of oil. Now, it is 100% natural, and it definitely has a really good smell to it. You can see over there on the ingredients, if it actually focus, there you go. Got a bunch of different oils on it to promote growth of your beard and keep your beard nice and healthy. Gives you directions on the other side as well. Set that off to the side, and we'll move on to the balm itself. Now, I haven't really done a whole lot of things with balm, so to speak, outside of like a little trial kit, where the little trial kit was maybe about that big. So this one being 2.82 ounces, it definitely gives you a lot to choose from. And when you open it, it's very nice, very smooth, and it smells absolutely amazing. So what you would do is you would theoretically, you would brush your beard with a bristle brush. You would put the oil in, you would then put the balm in, and then you would use your comb to style. So they give you everything but the brush to go ahead and get everything, you know, ready to go for you. Now, the brush isn't a necessity, but it is something that I personally do, and I absolutely love it. So if you all did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you do enjoy these kind of videos, hit the subscribe button. And if there's anything that you would like me to look into as far as reviews are concerned, leave a comment down below. I will leave a little blurb of everything that has to do with this in the description below, and a link to where you can actually get it. If you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know. This is Cody once again with another radical review. Don't forget, have a radical day.